There are multiple things happening in Diddy's trial that are surprising. One of them being the Kid Cudi incident being brought to life. In Sean Combs' federal trial, Kid Cudi testified about a harrowing incident involving his Porsche in January 2012, shortly after his relationship with Cassie had ended. He recounted receiving a morning call from his dog's babysitter, informing him his car was in flames in his driveway. The jury was shown dramatic photos of the burned-down vehicle. Kid Cudi described one image stating, "Looks like the top of my Porsche was cut open. That's where they inserted the Molotov cocktail." Another picture displayed what appeared to be the incendiary device itself, used in the arson. This testimony aligns with previous allegations that Diddy was upset by Cassie and Kid Cudi's relationship, leading to threats against Kid Cudi and his property. Kid Cudi took the stand, revealing he felt played by Cassie. During cross-examination by Diddy's lawyer, Kid Cudi confirmed he believed Cassie was dishonest about her relationship with Diddy, which Kid Cudi thought had ended. Kid Cudi expressed his upset upon discovering Cassie had reunited with Diddy after their own romance. When directly asked if both he and Diddy had been played by Cassie, Kid Cudi unequivocally replied, "Yes." He also said that when he saw his car was in flames, he knew that Diddy had something to do with it. Kid Cudi testified, detailing an incident where he claims Diddy burglarized his house. Kid Cudi recounted receiving a frantic call from Diddy's assistant, Capricorn Clark, who sounded on the verge of tears, saying Diddy and an affiliate were inside his home and she was forced to go along. Capricorn reportedly called from outside Kid Cudi's mansion. The jury was shown images of the front door of Kid Cudi's home after the alleged break-in. Kid Cudi then drove to his home, calling Diddy on the way. He told the court he confronted Diddy. In a chillingly calm tone, Diddy reportedly replied, "What's up?" and that he was waiting for Kid Cudi at the house, adding, "I want to talk to you." Describing the damage, Kid Cudi stated some gifts he'd bought for his family were opened, including items from Chanel, and his dog was found locked in the bathroom. He specifically remembered Chanel gifts on the kitchen counter. Newly released images from the March 2024 raid on Diddy's $40 million Star Island mansion in Miami reveal a surprising beauty secret. A box of Just for Men black hair dye was discovered, as well as freak-off paraphernalia. This find strongly suggests how Diddy maintained his consistently youthful, jet black hair and beard despite his age before his recent legal troubles. Since being detained, Diddy has been unable to use hair dye due to jail regulations, leading to his hair now appearing almost completely gray in recent court sketches and appearances. The discovery of the hair dye highlights a more mundane detail amidst the more sensational findings. In Diddy's federal trial, former assistant George Kaplan told the jury about witnessing Diddy allegedly mistreat one of his girlfriends, Gina Hoyne. George testified that Diddy was throwing green apples very hard at Gina, who was trying to shield herself. George then left the scene. When asked why he didn't intervene, George explained it was for my career, believing such behavior was normal and expected if he wanted a career in the entertainment industry. George stated this was his first professional endeavor, and he thought this was just part of the industry. George said he quit his job shortly after the incident and moved back in with his mother. Despite the experiences, George admitted, "I liked Diddy and wanted to continue having a relationship with him," highlighting his conflicted feelings about the situation.